So this is exactly what you asked for. A few weeks ago, we did a capsule wardrobe sewing series where we showed you the basics of how to create a capsule wardrobe using just a few patterns to create a complete closet of clothes that would carry you through lots of different occasions. And one of the pieces of feedback that you said you wanted to see was a capsule wardrobe in action, clothes being worn and putting it all together. Not just the idea of it, but it in action. And that's what today's video is right now. My friend Agnes is going to take us through picking out the perfect patterns and then pairing them all up with one essential bottoms pattern, and that's the Sabrina Slims. And she is showing off all of the dozen plus combinations that you can get with one bottoms pattern and just a few tops patterns. And I am so impressed by all of the color combos that she's using. She's mixing up her textures. She's got woven and knits put in there together. And it is so inspirational. I cannot wait for you to see the way that Agnes has created this beautiful capsule wardrobe with the Sabrina Slims sewing pattern as the basis for every outfit. Love. It'll take you from every occasion, from something that's maybe a little bit more casual to something that's a little bit more dressy. Everything is classic. It is comfortable, but it also looks polished and elegant, which I think makes a wonderful, flattering capsule wardrobe for anybody. So keep watching.
Hello Love Notion friends, my name is Agnès and welcome to today's Feature Friday, the Sabrina Slims. When I started planning for the Feature Friday, my first idea was to make 3 outfits with the Sabrina Slims. But I had a hard time choosing between the different fabrics I picked. I had 2 stretch wovens and 1 knit fabric. Because you can make the Sabrina Slims in both knit and woven fabric that has at least 20% stretch. So in the end I just made all 3 of them. A tip though, if you use a stretch woven, go up a size or 2. I used size 14 for the knit version and a size 18 for the woven ones. Another great tip is to read the fitting booklet that comes with the pattern carefully. You can also find a sew along for the Sabrina Slims on the Love Notions blog. The Sabrina Slims is a slim fit pull-on style pant. It has 2 views, a solid front and back or a seamed front and back. You can make them with front pockets, back pockets or welt pockets. It has 3 hem styles, plain, zippered and a split hem. And included in the pattern is a fitting workbook designed specifically for the Sabrina Slims. For all 3 of mine I picked a smooth front and back. The woven ones have a split hem and the knit one has a regular hem, but I shortened that one to be capri length. While I was putting the outfits together, I noticed I already had a lot of tops that matched the new pants, so I could make a lot of different combinations. I picked 4 shirts that matched all 3 pants and 2 blouses. And don't tell anyone, but both the blouses still need button and buttonholes. In the end, I was able to make 15 outfits instead of just 3, and I'm pretty sure I missed a few extra combos too. So the Sabrina Slims is a great pattern to use as a basic piece in your wardrobe.